Yo, what is up guys, it's Sam from YouTube, and today's video is a comparison between the Infinix S4 and the Tecno Camon 12. These have got the same CPU and GPU with different storage sizes and also a similar build and user experience. It's safe to say they're identical twins. We'll judge which one of them is worth the buy going at similar price points in this review. Without wasting much time, let's dig in. I said something about a similar build. Well, yeah, placed side by side, these two look so identical. You'd notice the Camon 12 has a larger screen than the S4 and appears a bit tall. The S4 looks and feels better than the Camon 12 because of the glass looking design, although they are both made of plastic. They both have gradient designs, but the Infinix S4 takes a crown in build quality. Both devices have a triple camera setup that give amazing picture and video quality. The Camon 12 camera produces better images with soft contrast adjustments and balanced saturations in warm lighting conditions, and in harsh completely blurs out the background to keep focus on the subject. The S4 also gives excellent photos in low lighting conditions, same as harsh lighting conditions. In harsh lighting conditions, the S4 takes over and it does not overexpose the background like the Camon 12 does. The Camon 12 has a wider lens than the S4, but the S4 compensates with better quality. These two are the perfect budget camera phones, both shoot in 1080p with no form of video stabilization. Video quality is almost identical. I'll leave you out to be the judge of this. What do you think is better? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Do me a favor and subscribe also, it's a win for you and the channel. Onto the device performance test, I made sure I closed all running apps before carrying out the test, and open similar apps on both devices as well. First up, we have YouTube. The Tecno Camon 12 opened YouTube faster. Next up, PUBG. The Tecno Camon 12 opened PUBG faster. The S4 caught up after a while. And comparing both, it's obvious there is higher quality on the S4. Next up, we have Play Store. The Tecno Camon 12 opened Play Store faster. Next, Instagram app. Almost the same, but the Tecno Camon 12 is faster. Google Maps. This is almost the same also, but the Tecno Camon 12 opened Google Maps faster. Facebook. The S4 opened Facebook faster. WhatsApp. The S4 opens WhatsApp almost instantly. Google Chrome. The Tecno Camon 12 opens Google Chrome faster. Google App. The Infinix S4 opened Google App faster. Message app. The Tecno Camon 12 opened Message app faster. Facebook Messenger. The Infinix S4 opened Facebook Messenger faster. As for app management, I went back to the opened apps to see if these devices will continue where we left off, and I was quite surprised. Instagram had its regular refresh feature on the Camon 12, but it was exactly how I left it on the S4. Facebook refreshed on both devices. WhatsApp restarted on the Camon 12. Google Chrome was retained on both devices. So far the basics were retained and other apps restarted. Now for my final verdict, these two devices perform excellently, with the Infinix S4 taking the crown in the camera section and the Tecno Camon 12 winning with a not so wide gap in performance. It's all up to your preference. Which should you go for? A better camera or a better performance? You made it to the end of the video. Give yourself a thumbs up. Give me your thoughts on these devices in the comment section down below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Till the next one, peace.